Now that we've groomed some dogs, it's time to work with cats. Donna, can you tell us a little bit about what to expect when working with shelter cats and how best to groom them so we can help them find their forever homes?
Well, first of all, you want to be prepared. So preparation is extremely important to keep the cat safe and you safe. Cats have claws, and if they bite you, their mouth has a lot of bacteria, and you can actually get toxoplasmosis, which isn't fun. So one of the things you want to have ready is you want to have an e-collar, a towel, and a lead. And the lead is to make a figure 8, which will securely hold the cat like a harness.
Okay.
You never want to put a lead like this around a cat's neck because the vertebrae are very fragile. If they got frightened and they jumped, it could snap their neck. So you always use a harness or a lead made into a harness.
Okay.
You always want to have a towel ready as well, because the towel can make the cat feel comfortable. You could wrap the towel safely when you're carrying them from one place to another so you don't get scratched. And you want to have a pair of sharp nail clippers. One of the first steps when you're grooming a cat is to clip its nails. So we're going to get Kitty out. Come here, baby. And unfortunately, a lot of beautiful cats end up in rescue. And getting them all cleaned up and beautiful and their perfect photo will help them get adopted as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I'm going to show you first how to do the figure 8.
Okay.
Okay, so you simply take a kennel lead and you're going to put it all the way around the kitty. Like so.
Got it.
Okay.
Like you just kind of stepped into it.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay, and then I'm going to reach my hand through his front legs. I'm going to pull the lead through. Then I'm going to twist and put it over his neck.
Oh.
Okay? So what this does...
Oh, wow. It's like a little harness.
It's like a little harness. And it puts pressure on the cat's neck, on the back of the neck, to help control, rather than on the front of the throat, because you wouldn't want to disrupt the airway. So then once that's on securely, you can tie the other end to the front loop, and now you have your kitty harness all safe and secure. Then you can attach it to the lead that's attached to the table. And this will secure the kitty somewhat and limit the mobility of the cat while you're working on him. All right, so next we're going to cut Kitty's nails.
Oh,
and kitty nails these are very long, and that's why it's important to cut the nails first.
Oh, yeah, they are long.
Kitty nails are a lot easier to do than dog nails because you can see the quick. Okay, so what you can do is you can press on top of the nail with your thumb, and this will extend the claw. Okay, if you let go, the claw will retract. So you want to extend the claw out and keep one finger underneath at the pad level so it blocks your nail clipper from accidentally going too far and clipping the cat's toe.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to go like that. And I'm going to clip just in front of the nail bed or the quick so it doesn't bleed. And then I'm just going to move my fingers along one by one until all the nails are clipped. And then always check for a dew claw as well.
Oh yeah, there's one.
And the dew claw is a nail that's up a little higher. Dogs rarely use their dew claw. Cats, however, use their dew claws quite a bit to climb trees. So this cat is being very relaxed and very calm. But what you should know, Seth, is that cats have what I call a window of opportunity at which to work. Okay, so the kitty basically calls the shots. Every cat has a different size window, and once that window is shut, you can no longer work on them.
Got it.
This is important to remember to keep yourself safe.
Yeah, so right now we're in that window of opportunity. We're just making the most of our time.
Yes, and that's why when you're working with a cat, with that in mind, you want to try and work fairly quick.
Yeah.
Because again, once the cat becomes upset, you're very limited on how much more you can do in order to get them groomed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the ear and eye wipes. And just like we used on the dog, these are safe for kitties as well. Okay, and with cats, they get the debris in the corners of the eyes.
Oh yeah, you can really see here, this cat's got some debris.
And so we're going to gently wipe.
Yeah, this will make a huge difference.
The other thing that Persian cats and some long-haired cats get is they get debris on their nose.
Oh yeah.
So you gently want to wipe as well.
Okay.
Now you can see the cat is starting to get a little upset with me handling his face.
It does seem like it.
So we're going to keep that in mind.
Okay.
And think about the window because it is starting to close somewhat. Okay, now I'm going to gently lay his ear flat back, and as you can see, there's a lot of wax and debris. Okay, so the ear wipe is gently going to clean that off.
Oh, wow, yeah.
And it'll wipe right off and make his ear nice and fresh. And ear cleaning is important too on a daily basis, and that's why these wipes are great to use for regular daily grooming and cleaning of dogs and cats. So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to use some of the kitty foam, or
cool,
waterless foam shampoo.
Oh yeah, the waterless foam shampoo. That good?
Very good. And then rub your hands together and gently pet the kitty with the foam shampoo.
Go, kitty.
The reason the John Paul Pet waterless foam shampoo works so great is because it actually draws the dirt from the pet's skin and from the hair. So the foam itself, as you work through the coat, will draw that dirt up, and as we brush it through the coat, it'll clean the pet. Yeah. And it's the amazing pump that helps create that action.
That's terrific. And you know what? For shelter cats, I think if we were to try to bathe shelter cats, it's going to cause them anxiety, which we don't want to do. So this is terrific because this cat here is not upset with us. We're able to clean this cat, make him look better, take an improved, positive photograph, and then help him find his forever loving home.
And again, it smells almond fresh. So now he smells nice and fresh and beautiful. Now you're all ready for your beautiful last photo, huh?
Once again, I want to thank John Paul Pet and Donna for teaching us how to use these products to groom shelter pets so they can look their absolute best and they're ready for their photo shoot, because one picture saves a life.